Welcome back to my channel again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block ads on your Android phone using a simple built-in setting. This method works without installing any third-party apps and helps you enjoy a cleaner, ad-free experience. First, open the Settings menu. From the Settings page, scroll down and find the Connections option. Tap on it to open the Connections page. Next, look for More Connection Settings and tap on it. On the next screen, you'll see an option called Private DNS and tap on it to open the next page. Now select Private DNS Provider Hostname. In the hostname field, carefully enter the DNS code that I've shown on the screen. After entering the code, tap Save. Once Private DNS is enabled, many ads across apps and websites will be automatically blocked, giving you a smoother and faster browsing experience on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful Android and Samsung tips and tricks.